The RE31 HF RFID reader chip, when paired with the SIC 56NL HF RFID tag, enables reliable and efficient automation on the production line. By tagging each component with HF RFID tags, the system always knows which item is moving, where it is, and where it needs to go next. This allows the system to automatically verify steps, trigger actions, and make decisions without relying on manual checks.
SIC Sharing.
Hello and welcome to SIC Sharing EP.2, where RFID innovation meets real-world solutions through cutting-edge technology. Today, we're focusing on how HF RFID technology can make manufacturing smarter, faster, and more efficient. In many factories, processes still rely heavily on manual checks and human decisions. This often leads to delays, misplaced materials, and unnecessary error. In this episode, we'll be sharing insights on how HF RFID improve productivity, reduce human error, and streamline material flow on the production line. Stay tuned for a closer look at how Silicon Craft's RE31 HF RFID reader chip and SIC 56NL HF RFID tag work together to deliver efficient factory automation. So what exactly is HF RFID? High-frequency radio frequency identification, or HF RFID, is a wireless communication technology operating at 13.56 MHz. It uses electromagnetic induction to transfer data between an RFID tag and a reader. This enables automatic identification and tracking of objects. Unlike barcodes, HF RFID doesn't require line of sight and can read tags quickly, making it ideal for fast-moving production lines. HF RFID plays a crucial role in automating production lines. It keeps the workflow smooth, reduces mistakes, and helps materials move efficiently. By tagging each component with HF RFID tags, the system always knows which item is moving, where it is, and where it needs to go next. This allows the system to automatically verify steps, trigger actions, and make decisions without relying on manual checks. Let's take a look at Silicon Craft's demonstration unit. The RE31 HF RFID reader chip, when paired with the SIC 56NL HF RFID tag, enables reliable and efficient automation on the production line. Each item on the conveyor carries an HF RFID tag. As it moves through the reader's detection point, the RE31 reader chip captures the SIC 56NL tag's unique identification, or UID. The system then uses it to decide whether the item should pass or be rejected. This represents how production lines can automatically verify materials, sort products, and confirm which items move to which route. The system offers several advantages for automation. The SIC 56NL tag provides high data capacity, allowing process information to be stored directly on board along with long read range performance. It also delivers reliable read/write performance even around dust, dirt, bright light, or liquids, ideal for real factory conditions. And because the tags are easily reprogrammable, carriers can be reused without relabeling, which saves time and materials. To wrap up, HF RFID technology plays an important role in automating production lines. With systems like the RE31 and SIC 56NL, manufacturers can improve productivity, reduce human error, and maintain smooth material flow across each stage of production. Thank you for watching SIC Sharing EP.2. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe for more RFID insights from Silicon Craft. See you in the next episode.